Ladies and gentlemen.
So after installing MySQL installer on your system through community, you have to add some specifications. So you have to basically choose the products which you wanted to install. So I want MySQL Server. So you have to use the arrow key to move it to the product to be installed side. And then MySQL Workbench I want. So you have to click on it, then press the arrow, and then it will be onto the next side. And then I want MySQL Shell. Then again, you have to follow the same step. Whichever thing you wanted to install out of these products, you have to click on it and then press the next button. Once you have done this, you will see all the four, whichever you have selected on your screen, and it will start installing. It will take few seconds, and everything will be installed like as many products you have selected. So in my case, it's server, workbench, and shell. So let's wait for few more seconds to get it done. On the next button, and then you will see that these are the products installed, and then you can select the configure type and the port, and then click on the next. Now here you have to select the password for MySQL. So you can create a password, random password, whichever is of your choice, and you have to repeat the password in the next cell, and it will show you how your password is it weak or it need to be strong or something like that. So you can accordingly modify your password as per the system's requirement. I have selected it, and then I have to press next button, and everything you have to keep it as it is. Then these are the configuration steps which needs to be completed. Once all these are done, you can click on the finish button to finish it, and then the terminal shell which I have downloaded is opened. Workbench is also open. Whichever thing you have installed, it will open once you will click on the finish button. Over here in the document section, I will show you where it is installed. Basically, it's in the C drive. I have installed it in the program section. You can move, and over here you can see that I have installed these things. Installer has been already installed on my Windows.